Though if you have access to the exercise files for this course, you can download them to your computer. These files are structured in a way that each chapter from 1 to 12 has its own designated project. Let's get started. First, I'll guide you on how to find and open your Plant 3D project. But before that, I want to take a moment to explore the files that make up a Plant 3D project, highlighting two key files located in the project directory. Begin by navigating to the Exercise Files folder on your desktop. Inside, you'll find all the files we'll be using throughout the course. Double-click on Chapter 1 to view its contents. You'll notice a typical Plant 3D setup, including the default folder structure that we'll work with. However, pay close attention to two important files, the Project.xml file and the projSymbolStyle.dwg file. The Project.xml file is the one you'll be asked to open when starting a Plant 3D project. By opening it, various database files, such as DCF files that manage different parts of the project, like ISOs, WOTOs, and piping, will be loaded. These DCF files work together to form the project as a whole. Opening the Project.xml file essentially connects all these elements to create a unified project. The projSymbolStyle drawing file, unlike a standard AutoCAD drawing, won't display graphics when opened. Instead, it contains block files that are used when placing piping or P&ID components in the Plant 3D system. It's critical not to delete or alter this file, as the blocks inside are vital to your project. It's also important to note that while renaming files for organizational purposes, like adding project numbers, is common practice in CAD, the Project.xml file and projSymbolStyle file in Plant 3D must retain their original names. Renaming or relocating these files can disrupt the project since they are hard-coded and essential for its functionality. Now, let's open the project. Head to your desktop or Start menu and launch AutoCAD Plant 3D25. Once open, you'll see the default project screen. Navigate to the current project, scroll down and select Open. Then, locate the exercise files on your desktop and open the Chapter 1 folder. The only selectable file will be the Project.xml file. Opening it will initialize the Chapter 1 project. Now that you know how to open the project and understand the significance of the Project.xml file and projSymbolStyle, you're ready to begin working on your Plant 3D project.